Safe Roof Cleaning LLC, the trusted roof cleaning service in Connecticut.
One of the really cool things about Safe Roof Cleaning LLC is they make your house look brand new. You feel like you've just gotten out of the car wash, but it's for the house.
The sales rep was a hell of a nice guy, willing to work with me on price.
They were great. The guy said they would be here at 9 o'clock. At 8:55, they pulled up and started setting up, and then they got down to business.
It was a two-man crew. One guy was the climber, and he was very meticulous. He would not leave an area until he was totally satisfied with the amount of cleaning that was done.
Safe Roof Cleaning LLC have cleaned my roof, the gutters, my siding, as well as my hardscape. The house looked absolutely beautiful. And what's even better about that is the work has a 5-year guarantee.
They're just a very professionally run company that put the customer first.
For a free estimate, give us a call or visit us online.